sharing a Vrat friendly recipe which is close to every Indian heart. So let's quickly see the recipe for Sabudana Thalipeeth. To make the Thalipeeth mixture, I've taken 1 cup of Sabudana or Sago Pearls and I've rinsed it thoroughly. I've added 1 cup, which is equal quantity of water, and soaked it for at least a minimum of 4 hours or maximum of 8 hours, and this is what I get. They're beautifully soaked and fluffed up, and now let's add in all the other ingredients. Grate 2 boiled potatoes, add in 5 to 6 finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup of crushed roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of singara or water chestnut flour. Mix all these ingredients into a dough-like mixture. Mash slightly while mixing. The Thalipeeth mixture is ready and now it's time to shape them, for which I've taken a piece of butter paper, apply a little bit of oil over it, I'm going to grease it with a little bit of oil. Take the Thalipeeth dough, make round balls of the mixture. With the help of oiled fingers, spread it to make a round Thalipeeth. Put the Thalipeeth in a hot pan. Make a hole in the center, drizzle some oil in it. And cook it on one side. Flip it over once you get a few brown spots and cook it on the other side as well. This is ready. Let's remove it in a plate. These Thalipeeths can be carried as a tiffin snack as well. Serve it with some Vrat ki green chutney and I'm sure you're going to love it. It's quite filling, so do try it at home. Comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.